In this video, I'll show you how to pair your iPhone with your Epson WF-2930. I'll also show you how to print and also how to get the scan results from your printer directly on your phone. So let's get started right away. Step number one is to connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. So let's go on the control panel over here. I'll show you how it's done. So the first step is to press the home button on the display, on the control panel over here. You're going to have 12 different options. You see, this is one out of 12. You need to use the left and right arrows to navigate. Okay, press on it until you see Wi-Fi setup. It's page 12 out of 12. Once you see this, press OK. Next, we're going to select Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Again, OK. And now select Wi-Fi setup wizard. It's 1 out of 3. Press OK. Wait a few seconds. The printer will now search for all the different networks that are around it. Okay, and now you're going to get a list. Go up and down using the up and down arrows. You can see all the Wi-Fi networks that it has found. And one of them should be yours. Once you see yours, select it by pressing OK. And now type the password. If your Wi-Fi password has numbers or characters, different characters like symbols, you need to go over here where it says A1 hashtag, and you're going to get capital letters. If you click more on it, you're going to get numbers and symbols. So go ahead and type the password, and at the end, select OK and press OK. Next step, take your iPhone and you need to download the Epson Smart Panel app. So go on the App Store and search for Epson Smart Panel app. It should look like this one. Launch it. And since your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer, it should appear right over here. Give it a few seconds. If nothing is happening and your app is not finding your printer, what I suggest is you press the back button. Close any advertisement that they may show you. And now press the plus icon on the top right corner over here. And now select Connect to a product already on Wi-Fi. And then you should have the screen connection is complete. And now we are on the main page of this app. Let me show you how to print and also how to scan. So to print, nothing easier than this, honestly. You have a big print button over on top. Click on it, select if it's a picture you're trying to print or a document, like a PDF document. Select a file from the memory of your iPhone. A preview of this file will appear on the screen. And now we can change a few different settings. You see on the lower left side, you have a cogwheel. If you press on it, these are all your settings that you can change. So make sure that the paper size is the same as the one input in your printer. You have media type as well. So make sure if you're printing on glossy type of paper, you select glossy over here. You have print quality. By default, it's standard, but if you're printing pictures, anything with high details, I suggest you select high instead. The printer will take a bit more time to print the results, but I think it's worth it. Finally, you have paper source. Do not touch it. Do you want to print in color or in black and white? And if you want to print on both sides of the printer, make sure that this last option over here is turned on. At the end, you can select the number of copies. I just want one, so I have left one over there. Press done, and now press the print button on the lower right side. Here we go. We got the results. Very nice. Let me show you how to scan now. The scanner of this printer, actually there's two different scanners, are located over here. So there is a basic scanner glass, the one that you find in almost all printers, that is located here. If you want to input your paper on it, take your document and place it facing down. And you're gonna notice there's an arrow over here on the lower right side. This means that the top of your page over here should point towards the right side, and that the corner of your page should touch the corner with the arrow. So you see, this is how you know that your paper is aligned on this scanner. Then you can close the scan lid. If you want to use the other type of scanner this printer is equipped with, is the one you see on the top. Open this flippity flop. You have a small paper guide over here. Make sure that it's completely extended towards the extremity. Take your document, but this time place it facing up with the top part of your page towards the left side. Simply push it, okay, until you cannot push it anymore. Don't force it too much, you should just reach the end. But for this video, I'll simply put it here since it's only one page. Okay, I'll place my document, close the lid. On the app itself, press the scan button, the green one. Wait a few seconds, it will connect to your printer. Then on the app itself, you have multiple options. Select scanner glass if you have put the paper over here. Select ADF if you have put the paper on the top. And then you have the document size if you want in color or in black and white, the resolution. If you're going to scan a document with high details like a picture or a painting, select a higher number. But for this document, I'll simply go and start the process by pressing the green start button.